G'day humanoid life forms, it's Chewy here. In this video I'm driving in peak hour traffic. Oh, the joys of Sydney traffic. Okay, it's Friday afternoon before a long weekend, so I'm expecting this to be just chock-a-block traffic. I don't even want a lane filter there. Oh, I could probably get to the front easy enough. Should I? Yeah, bugger it, I'm going to go. As long as I don't touch anything. Bad timing, sorry. Thanks, mate. Well, the point of this video is exactly that. And you'll see in a moment. I feel like a naughty kid who's about to do something wrong. Even though probably the most illegal thing I'm doing right now is having a GoPro attached to my helmet. I was looking on Google Maps just a little while ago, and just up here somewhere there's a little lane that goes down. I've never been down before. Let's see if I can find it. It's somewhere just up here on the left off this highway. Now, according to Google Maps, it's an open lane and you can drive down it, but it looks like it's all fenced off. I don't think it's still open anymore. The little lane was somewhere just here. No, it's all fenced off. It was that thing there. That was the lane right there. That was it. It's all fenced off. Can't even get up there. I suppose I could just pull over here and do what I want to do. I don't think I'm doing anything illegal, but it's not really where I want to be just yet. I've got the drone. I'm going to fly the drone over this hell of an intersection, which you'll get to see, hopefully, pretty soon. It might get too dark by the time I even get there, with that cloud on the horizon. Oh, I'm really good at timing my videos, aren't I? So where I'm at right now is the intersection of the M4 motorway and the M7 motorway. And it is, as you can see over there, I don't know if you can, it's just gridlocked. It's just, traffic is just stopped, man. This is horrible. I shouldn't have even bothered. I'm not even going to get anywhere where I can put the drone up in time. Oh, I should be flying right now. That sky's beautiful. Anyway, I'm not. Did I mention that it's freezing cold as well? I know you northern hemispherians are saying, that's not cold. Yeah, I know it's not cold for you guys, but I tell you what, for us down here, it's as cold as it gets on a bike. I'm going to do a bit of scouting anyway, see where it takes me, if I can find a spot to launch the drone, maybe for next time.
One eternity later.
Try here.
my buildings, they still stand tall. My world is falling down around me, I don't know who to save anymore. My world is falling down around me, my buildings, they still stand tall.
Well, that was a little bit of a fail. I just need to get closer. I'm probably going to have to go for a walk to get closer, which is fine. I'm not doing that today, but I will come back and do that. What happened then was, as soon as I got about 65-70 meters up, I got a strong wind warning, and it said to land the drone immediately. Back into the traffic, that's where I'll say goodbye. Have a good day, everyone. Until next time, be good to each other. Chewy out. Peace. 100%ers. Are you allowed to lane filter where you live? And if you are, do you do it all the time? Or do you get in moods where you just feel like you're not that confident to do it, which I do sometimes? Or do you just do it every opportunity, like I'm about to do now? Is there room up there where that truck is to get to the front? I think so. Lane filtering's good. Yeah, plenty of room. Alright, see ya. Have fun.